This is a case for improving democracy generally in Connecticut, and specifically for having a referendum that is done properly. And that probably means a redo in Farmington, because in June of 2021, voters were misled and directly lied to by government. Okay? It's one thing when partisans stretch the truth, even lie, and there's another side that has a chance to combat it. When the government lies to you, the chance to combat it is a lot more diminished. The government says they've studied things and here's their statistics, means there's still a trust in those statistics when there shouldn't be. In Farmington, the statistics put forward by the Farmington High School building project, which emanates from Town Hall, shows an exceptionally misleading figure, that the cost of the rebuild of Farmington High would be $466 for an average household. Okay? In the lower print, it explains that the $466 is a 5-year excess above an amount that is about to go down because of an expiring bond issue 5 years hence. The tax impact is nowhere near as low as $466. This project is estimated at $14,000. The fact that you're paying a little bit more, $466, when you might have expected to be an overall lowered tax rate, is not a way to make a comparison. This comparison is manipulative. When people see a $466 impact, seems like a good project, I can handle that. If they saw $14,000 average impact, that brings out a lot more no's, probably brings out many more people to the polls in the first place, and many who have gone that said yes would be rethinking. People have already, upon hearing this for the first time, said, I didn't realize that. That's too much. Okay? This is my little polling in my neighborhood. So this is widespread. And even if the merits are good, I'm an educator. I like well-spent money on education, but not when it's been promoted with misleading statistics and outright lies. And here's the outright lie. Now, it's only 20% of the figure, but when they say that the state of Connecticut will be reimbursing for $26 million out of the $136 million, and you find out later that it is a request for reimbursement, you don't know that the state will be reimbursing. You shouldn't be saying this in your official literature. Look, even proponents should not be happy about a result gained by this sort of chicanery. The right thing, and I'm sure there are proponents who can stand up and say this, and with it, maybe win a fair referendum. They could say, yes, the average cost is $14,000 and it's worth it. That is a real argument, and that might be persuasive. When your argument emanates from town officials and contains lies and misleading things that the people who compose them know are misleading, okay? This wasn't an accident, okay? $466, it's easy math to realize that is way, way low. It's 30 times higher, okay? If I say I can save you, you could be spending $466, or I say I could be spending $14,000 of your money. Big difference to almost everybody in this town. Don't let a referendum based on lies go through. The case for a redo can't be any stronger. Government officials can't be lying about the proposals they're putting forward.